Okay, so last time we have seen the ADC. Now what we have to see? We have to see the interfacing of programmer circuit and how to upload the code in our blue pill. So here you can observe that we are having these four pins in the corner. Okay, so using these four pins we are going to program our circuit. Now for that we are going to need one module. Its name is ST-Link. So this is our ST-Link. Okay, let's keep it aside. So here we are having this ST-Link. Now you can carefully observe we are having these four pins only for the programming. Okay, now which pin we are going to use? So simply if I tilt it little bit for clear visibility, so we are having pin 3.3 SWO, SCLK and ground. So this one is 3.3 SWO, SCLK, that is clock, and last one is this one is ground. Same configuration you can observe over here also. So SWO, ground, SWCLK, we are having after that 3.3 and this last one is 5 volt. And this hole is here there is an LED. Okay, there is an LED over here. So what we are going to do, simply I'm going to take these four wires. Okay, so the pin numbers, if you carefully observe, the pin numbers is 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, so I'm going to connect up these pins accordingly. So I'll club these four pins together. Let's attach over here. Okay, they are properly connected now. So accordingly we have to make the same connections with the blue pin also. Yes, so we have to do the connection with the blue pin also. Now we are having four pins. You can see that I have applied a little bit of solder metal to these, so I should get the good grip. Okay, so we have to make the similar connections over here. Okay, so we are already having connections like this: SDWIO, ground, SCLK and 3.3. Okay, so first our yellow wire is SWDIO. So I'll take yellow wire. This yellow wire I'm going to connect with SWO and connect this with SWO. So this one is SWO. After that I'm having the blue wire that is connected to SWSCLK. So it is over here. Yes. So blue wire. Sorry, this one is purple. This one is blue. So yellow is SDWIO. Okay. So here its name is SWO. After that blue wire that is SWSCLK. So here also we are having this. You can see this after tilting SWCLK is there. Okay. After that this purple wire is power supply, that is 3.3. So we are going to connect it over here. This is my 3.3. Okay. After this we are having the last, that is ground. So this green pin is ground. You can see it over here. So the green pin is fourth number, that is ground. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to connect this with your laptop. Okay. You have to connect this with your laptop. Okay. Now after connecting, you have to open one software. Okay, I'll show you that. Okay, the software we are going to use is this STM32 ST-Link utility. Let's open this. Okay, so here is our software. So after first time you are going, if you are connecting your ST-Link module first time, so you have to do this firmware update. It is very simple process. I've already updated my firmware. So I'll show you again. For this, you are going to need the internet. So you have to click on this connect device. If your device is not getting connected, so what to do in that case? You have to remove the ST-Link from your laptop and connect it again. Okay. So here I'm clicking on yes. It is updating my firmware. Okay. After updating firmware, you have to disconnect it again and plug it again with your laptop. Okay, you have to keep this in mind. After that, you have to open the, let me maximize this. You have to open the file, open file, you have to open the hex file. Okay, so we are having ADC LVL X, that is ADC level X. So this is our hex file. Actually, this is your actual machine code. This is what it is going to get uploaded in your, what I can say, board. Okay, so this is your hex file. Okay, now what are you have to do? Simply you have to go on the target. Okay, program and verify. Okay, you're going to get this error. Okay, you are going to get this error. Now, how to overcome this error? So I'm showing you the both of the screens. So what you have to do? This problem occurs with the Chinese manufactured boards. Means there are many copies in the market. So here we are having the reset button. So if I hold this, okay, you have to hold this while programming. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to press it very hard. Okay, and in my ST-Link software, what I'm going to do, simply target, program and verify. Now I'm going to release this button. Okay, you have to do it again. Let's try it again. I'll hold it firmly. Okay, target, program and verify. I'll hold it little bit. After this, release it. So you are going to get this window. Okay, here also you can browse your file. No issue. You can browse over here also. Now click on start programming. So program has been dumped. So here you can see that program has been successfully uploaded. Okay. Yes. In some times it will keep the connectivity and it is going to read the code also. So this is the problem with the Chinese boards only. Okay. Similarly, you can program the board from here also. Okay, you can program your board from here also. Yes, there is some settings. Open OCD, and here you have to. If this option is not available, so here show generator option, and you have to mention it as software system reset. Okay, you can mention the frequency 8 megahertz. Okay, and if I try to run this, okay, so it is going to again ask me to update the firmware. Okay, so let's update it again. Open it update mode. See, here ST-Link is not in the DPU mode. Okay, program firmware upgradation mode. Okay, so disconnect your STM module and connect it again. So I'm clicking on upgrade. So it is upgrading. The problem is that my burning utility, that is STM32 utility, is of different version and the cube ID is of different version. Okay, if I try to debug again, so you are going to see errors over here. This is the problem due to the copy boards. Okay, so my board is not might be original, so it is not able to connect. Okay, I have one nucleo board which is original, so I'm going to show you that in our end of the sessions. Okay, so our program has been successfully uploaded using this STM32 link utility. Okay, I'll show you again. So file, open file, you have to select the hex. Okay, your file is open. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold this reset button. Okay, after that target, verify, program and verify, release this. You're going to get this option, start uploading, and your code is successfully uploaded. No issues at all. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to check this code. Okay, so for that we are going to need one serial communication device. Okay, I'll show you that in next session.